going on, guys? Welcome to your channel of technology of LT Computers. You always have this question which always comes to me and always comes in the shop. Hey, my computer is slow. I'm trying to connect to the network. It seems like I have so many issues. I cannot open some websites. There is slowness in general in any kind of browser. I'm talking about Google. I'm talking about Chrome. It could be, any other browser that you use, Brave. I seen it that my Wi-Fi is connected, but I cannot really have this speed that I'm supposed to have. For all these kind of answers, I have this trick that I'm gonna show you guys right now. So if you can see, I'm sharing my screen. I'm gonna open. This is a fantastic way to do it. You already try everything. You already tried disconnect your Wi-Fi and reconnect your Wi-Fi. You even went to your network box and you turn off, your device. You powered cycle it. I mean, you turn it off and then you wait like 10, 20, 30. You wait a minute, you wait 5 minutes, and you replug the modem. You did everything in your hands. And I forget, you actually too call the ISP or internet service provider. But the ISP, they just tell you, you know what, the internet is fine, everything is working fine in our end. So at this point you run in a dilemma. What's going on in your computer? Okay, I'll show you right now. It's just a network reset. Trust me, I fix almost 80% of the devices with this trick. Take a look. I'm gonna open right now really quick here on the bar what we call the command line. So you're gonna run CMD right there. You're gonna see it and you're gonna run it as administrator. You just click on there, and then you're gonna have this image that asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your devices? You go ahead and click yes. Okay, you're gonna have this window that actually will tell you specifically on top corner, administrator command prompt. All right. So you can execute all this line of commands that I'm gonna show you, but also you can bring over some, tricks from the old part of what it is, the command line. So we're gonna go ahead really quick to do. We're gonna go to the C here. So we're gonna go here to CD, that's CD, and then two dots and enter. We're gonna leave the computer on the C right there on the command line. You can maximize this screen as well to make it bigger, or you can just through all the commands over there. All right, so we're gonna run this command for resetting the network. That actually is gonna be five commands that actually is gonna help to reset your network. Okay, the first one is gonna be net sh, and then space win sock reset. Okay, this first command, what it's gonna do is going to reset the WinSock catalog to the default state. What it is, the WinSock catalog? It is basically a database that your computer is keeping about DNS addresses, about websites, or different IP settings that your computer is technically copy and saving onto a database into the Windows file or System32 as well. So when you type that command, just click enter. That's our first command. All right, so the message on the CMD or on the command line, it is successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart a computer in order to complete the reset. That's absolutely true. Actually, we have to reset the computer after these five commands. The next command that we're gonna get is gonna be net sh int ip reset. This command basically is going to reset all the TCP IP stack. Okay, it calls net sh int IP reset. We just go ahead and click enter, and as you can see, you're gonna have a list that actually says reset command, resetting unicast, blah blah, reset potential, and then okay. At the end, always the message is gonna be restart the computer to complete this action, of course. So we're gonna go with the third command right now. The third command is gonna be ipconfig space and then a slash, and then we're gonna go with release. What this command actually is going to do is going to release, is going to leave or just abandon any IP where actually your computer was it on. Of course, a computer has an IP address which is provided by your router, but in this case, it's going to release it. It's gonna leave it. Okay, so we're gonna click enter. and then we're going to have this message. I mean, normally when you click IP config, you're going to be able to see the IP messages in there. But at this point, as you can see here on the bottom, my computer does not have connection to the internet. It actually says unidentified network or no internet access. All right. So that means the command actually worked. Yes, I didn't click anything else. I just click the command line right here. All is being performed by technically the command line. All right, we're gonna go with the next command. It's gonna be the command number 4. It's gonna be ipconfig space slash, and then we're gonna go with renew. Okay, so technically this command is going to renew the IP address. It's gonna make the router to hell. I should not do this on a recording. All right, so the prior command actually stopped my connection to internet, and also I'm using a cloud-based connection to do my recordings. I bring it over the channel later if you ask me which software in cloud I'm using to record, but actually stop my recording. This command, the renew, is actually bringing me back to the online recording. I'm recording number 4 already, so we're gonna do the last command, or number 5. This is gonna be command number 5, ipconfig slash flash DNS. This command will clean or clear the DNS cache. All right. So we're going to go ahead and press enter and successfully flash the DNS and the DNS resolver cache. All right, guys. So we already proceeded with the 5 commands. All right. Hopefully this will help you out. And don't forget to follow us in our channel. And the next step from this one for you guys is going to be go ahead and restart your computer. And then you're going to see that your computer, when connects to the internet, the Wi-Fi cable, is going to be faster. The applications are going to open faster. Whatever you do on cloud is going to be so fast in comparison of what you did. You actually can also, don't forget to go to this website, which is going to be, let me show you here really quick. It is going to be www.speedtest, just to measure what is the speed on your computer.net. When you go to that website, you're going to be able to have a controller on your speed. And then we're going to have the speed test. It's going to tell you what is actually the speeds that your network is running right now. In my case, I have almost over 600, more than a half of a gig. So I think I'm doing really good right now after these commands. All right. Guys, don't forget to thumbs up, follow us, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.